In today's lecture, we will be discussing and revising the topic of imperatives. Now, what is an imperative? These are some examples of imperative sentences. For example, open the door, take an aspirin. Aspirin means like painkiller. Pay attention. Imperatives are those sentences which are formed with the verb but without a subject. हम किसी noun को mention किए बगैर, noun या pronoun को mention किए बगैर लिखते हैं. The sentences have a verb but they do not have a subject. The negative imperative is formed with do not or don't and the verb. For example, don't touch that or do not touch that. Don't play with your brushes. So like that. Acha. Then what are the uses of imperatives? How do we use them? We can use them to write your name, to give orders, like write your name, be quiet, stop talking, orders. They can give you instructions. For example, take a deep breath, have a glass of water, or add 1 spoon of sugar in the coffee. So these are all instructions. Offering something, have some tea. uh, um, yeah, you can offer somebody something. Okay, here is a pencil, take my pencil, borrow my books. Okay, so like that. Making a request, be quiet please, stop talking please, yeah, pay attention, like that. So when you make requests, you can also use an imperative. We form the imperative with the first form of the verb without the subject. Sit down please. अब हमने देखे इस टीचर ने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया, इस कैरेक्टर का नाम नहीं लिया, इस कैरेक्टर का नाम नहीं लिया, बस ये कहा कि sit down please. This is again a request. ठीक है. Then we form the negative imperative by adding do not or don't with the first form of the verb. For example, don't feed the animals. This guy is talking to them, right? This person is talking to them. He's not taking their name. हम subject को कहीं mention नहीं कर रहे. We are not mentioning the noun or the pronoun who is performing the action. मगर हम verb को mention कर रहे हैं. ये तो वो noun है जिसका कोई action ही perform कर नहीं रहा है. Right? So he's not taking their name, but he's telling them, don't feed the animals. He's giving them an order. We use the imperative to give instructions, like put the spaghetti dish in the oven or bake for 25 minutes. सारी जितनी भी cooking recipes होती हैं आपकी, आप अगर कभी पढ़ें, so they are all written in द इम्पेरेटिव फॉर्म. आज ही अपने घर में कोई पास्ता का पैकेट निकालिए या शान या नेशनल के जो मसालों के डब्बे होते हैं, आप वो निकाल के उसके पीछे पढ़िएगा, इंस्ट्रक्शंस रेसिपीज लिखी हुई होती हैं. If you read them, you will notice that they are all written in the imperative form. They are all giving you instructions. We use the imperatives to give orders. For example, don't eat in the class. Now this teacher is not taking this girl's name. She's not saying Laiba or she's not saying Aisha, don't eat in the class. She's just saying don't eat in the class. So this is an order. This is an imperative. Other orders like stay quiet, take out your books, leave my classroom, or come in. These are all examples of orders. They are all written in the imperative form. We use the imperative to offer something. अगर हमें किसी को कोई चीज ऑफर करनी है, so we use the imperative form for that. For example, let's have lunch together. चलो, let's say this, let's have lunch together. आपने किसी को lunch पे आने की offer की है, so you will do that in the imperative form, right? You're not taking somebody's name. Then have a snack, have a glass of water, let's have coffee together. So like that, these are all examples of imperatives. We use the imperative to tell somebody what to do and what not to do. किसी को ये बताना हो कि भाई ये करना है या नहीं करना है, हम इन दोनों केसेस में imperatives को यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू लुक हियर, दिस रिसेप्शनिस्ट इज आस्किंग दिस मैन टू sign this form please, right? There are many other requests you can do for somebody. You can ask somebody, can you lend me your book please, help me out please, help me carry these boxes please. So or you can advise somebody, don't use plastic bottles in your house, throw out this trash, don't back answer your elders, right? So you can make many such suggestions to others.